If Microsoft Edge is showing error code 0X80072Efe, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix you can try right now. This issue can happen when there's a network or proxy problem, or when Windows is holding on to old DNS data that stops Edge from connecting properly. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to reset the WinHTTP proxy settings. To do that, click the Start menu, type command prompt and open it. If possible, run it as administrator so the command applies correctly. Once the command prompt window is open, type net edge WinHTTP reset proxy, then press enter. This command clears any proxy settings that may be blocking Microsoft Edge from reaching the internet. After that, type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. This flushes your DNS cache, which can remove old or corrupted network entries that may be causing the error. Once that is done, close command prompt. Now we're going to check Microsoft Edge settings from Control Panel. Open Control Panel and look for the option to change Microsoft Edge related settings, especially anything connected to internet options, proxy settings, or browser configuration. In some cases, a damaged browser setting or network configuration can keep the error coming back, so reviewing these settings can help restore normal access. If you see any suspicious proxy configuration enabled, turn it off. Also, make sure your connection is set correctly and that Edge is allowed to use your normal network settings. After making those changes, restart your computer so the new network settings can fully apply. Then open Microsoft Edge again and test the site or page that was giving you the error. In many cases, the browser should now load properly without showing the 0X80072Efe message. If the issue is still there, double check that the commands were entered exactly as shown and make sure no third-party security software is forcing a proxy or blocking network traffic. You can also try reconnecting to your internet network or checking whether the problem happens on other browsers too. These steps usually solve the most common causes of Microsoft Edge error code 0X80072Efe. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Windows Fix guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.